The new FaceMill Zig ZigZag operation makes programming simpler through a new interactive graphic user interface that allows you to specify parameters like cut angle, runoff, blank thickness, and pattern offset. We'll begin by creating a new operation. FaceMill Zig ZigZag is new. Specify the cut area and generate. You can edit the toolpath by dragging graphics. The preview updates dynamically. FaceMill Zig ZigZag is blank sensitive, meaning the operation will only generate the toolpath within the blank volume above the specified cut area. Notice containment is set to blank geometry. FaceMill Zig ZigZag is also IPW aware. It uses the stock updated from the previous operation. Notice the blank containment is set to 3D IPW. Pattern offset and a tool runoff can be defined by dragging graphics.